In primetime news this evening, the Integrity Commission finds property owned by Prime Minister was being built contrary to the planning approval and building permit.
Fraud alert. Expert warns Jamaicans about new ways criminals are using to steal money.
And former Petrojam general manager and chairman cleared of wrongdoing. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, this evening we're talking about the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, and that entity has signed a major MOU with the Jamaica Productivity Center, and that is to boost manufacturing and the export sectors. We'll have that and more in the Business Day.
Thank you, Chizzy. And Renata Brown is here with a preview of what's to come in primetime sports.
Well, Archie, the West Indies have taken an unbeatable 2-0 lead in their 3-match one-day international series against Bangladesh after another dominant batting display today. And 2 more Jamaicans added to the Grand Slam Track League list. I'll have all the details in Primetime Sports.
I wonder who's been added to it. That's very exciting.
Yeah, so he's wearing blue, you're wearing blue, I'm wearing blue, Chizzy's wearing blue, but Romain is wearing black. And he has a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. Now, over the next few days, we're not expecting significant changes in the weather pattern across the area. We still have showers affecting sections of northern parishes. We still have strong winds, especially across sections of the northeast.
Romain loves the chaos, so he's in mourning. The weather is not as fantastic as he'd want it to be. The weather report and forecast later on in detail. We also have E-Prime as well as sports commentary. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, Archie, we're asking our viewers, what measures have you put in place to protect yourself from mosquito-borne viruses?
Wow, I'd like to find out what people are doing. You can share your comments online. Facebook.com/TelevisionJamaica. And remember, you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.